Hi, Dario here. With this video I want to show how I trained a deep convolutional neural network to drive a car in a simulator. The neural network I trained has to output the steering angle to use to turn the car, based only on the images coming from the camera. More or less what actually we're doing ourselves when we're driving our car. First, let's have a look at the simulator implemented by a team in Udacity. After selecting some video settings, I can start driving a sport car around. It's more or less like a video game. I can record all the images and the steering angles by clicking the record button and selecting the folder where I want to save it. Now just skip it. I drove a few laps at the center of the street to make sure that the car will learn to drive straight, and a few times short clips driving from the side of the street back to the centers, so to teach the car to recover in case of errors. Let's have a look at the data. It is a bunch of images mainly recorded with the simulator, as I just shown. As you can see, they are all snapshots from each frame of the car driving, and it looks like there's a camera inside the car. And in this CSV file, you can see that the steering angle was recorded for each frame. So let's have a look at the code. The first thing is to load the data using a generator in Python. And for the whole neural network, I used Keras. So the architecture is 5 convolutional layers with and without subsampling and ReLU activation function. Same activation function for the fully connected layers and L2 number regularization, and one linear output layer. And the last function is the mean squared error since we're doing regression. After training, we can see that I achieved a good loss value both for the training set and the validation set. I've been training for 50 epochs and then saw that I would overfit. That's why then I stopped. I performed early stopping after 20 epochs. So let's give it a try. So first I launched the script that will control the car in the simulator and load the trained neural network, the model.h5 file, so that the steering angle is decided by the neural net. I launch again the simulator, click on autonomous mode, and cross my fingers. So it drives straight, stays in the center of the road, tends to turn left and right a bit, but so far so good. I'm not gonna comment all the way around the circuit. I'll let you watch it. Let's see the first curve. Turn to the left, turn to the left. Yes, it does that. We're approaching a bridge. Please don't fall into the river, lake, whatever it is. Nice. Nice and smooth. Crossing the bridge. And there's a sharp turn to the left. And almost right outside. Not very smooth, but still never touched the shoulder of the road. Now turn to the right, seems it's working fine. And back to the center. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.